going to discuss the second example, addition. Okay, the situation when we are going to add a large number. I told you we have to follow some things. What are that? So take the example. In a country, there are ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore, 13 lakhs, 14,175 males. Okay, the male count is 3 crore, 13 lakhs, 14,175. Then female count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 2 crore, 75 lakhs, 21,850 females. Then find the total population of the country. Total. You have to listen this word. Total means I already told you when we talk about in addition properties and what are the terms we used in the addition sums. I told you what are the terms we used altogether. Sum, total, these kind of sums words if it is there, so that sum is addition. So here total word is there, so we need to add the total the given add-on. Then we have to find the total population of the country. Okay, so these kind of numbers, it's a large number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit, 8 digit number. So you compulsory you draw the table, place value table. So then you put the number into the table. Okay. Okay. Now I place the I draw the table place value table. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is the table, Indian place value table. So I place the given addend into this table. After that I am going to add the two numbers and I find the sum of the two numbers. Okay. So first addend, it's a addend, first addend. So I place the first 5 into the ones place. So we need to place two table, no? Two numbers. So second 7 in tens place, 1 in 100 place, then 4 into the 1000 place, 1 into the 10,000 place, 3 into lakhs place, then 10 lakhs, then crore. It's a first addend. Then second addend, this one, it's a female count, no? We need to find the total population. Total male female count they given. We want to find out the total. So for that we have to add that. Okay. So I already told you 0 plus 5 or 5 plus 0 both are same. So the sum, the number itself, no. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, no. So 12 means 2, you have to write here. Then remainder 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So 0, put remainder 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. So if you take answer and write here separately the total population. The total population of a country. What is the population? 5, 8, 8, 3, 6, 0, 2, 5. Put comma as per the Indian place value system. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 5 crore, 88 lakh, 36,025. This is the total population of the country. So as per the addition terms, what we call, don't forget, whenever you add the numbers, you always practice is a add and. Okay, add and 1, add and 2. We call this sum. So you practice. Then once you practice, then after no need to write. So if these kind of sums you have to read two times, then you have to find out it's this sum is addition or subtraction or multiplication. I told you some words. I told you if that words it comes, so we have to identify it's a addition sum. Then we will discuss subtraction. Then I will tell you what are the words are when we do the subtraction sum. I will tell you that. Then you remember these words. Okay. Okay, students. Let me talk the another example 3, the addition sum. So a chocolate factory produced ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakhs, 35,450 chocolates in January. Okay, the month of January they produced 12 lakhs, 35,450 chocolates. Then the month of February, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, 25,800 chocolates in February. The month of March, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakhs, 20,875 chocolates. So how many chocolates were produced in the 3 months? So the last 3 months, January, February, March, these 3 months, how many chocolates they produced? So we want to find the total number of chocolates. So it's a addition because they want to know the 3 month chocolate. So we need to add, then only we can find the 3 month total. So for that I draw the place value table. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So I place these 3 addend. Finally, we need to find the sum. So the first addend, it's a first addend. So I put 0 into 1's place, 5 10's place, 4 100 place, again 5 1000 place, 3 10,000 place, 2 lakhs place, 1 10 lakhs place. Then second addend 0 0 8 5 2 0 2. Then third addend 5 7 8 0 2 1 5. So 5 1. So this I placed these 3 addend into the table. Now I am going to add. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 2 remainder 1. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8 21. So 1 here, 2 remainder, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 0 12 only. So 12 2 here, remainder 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Then 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 5 7. Then 2 plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So the total chocolate. So we have to write the answer. The total chocolate of the 3-month 4782125. So put as per the comma as per the Indian place value 1 cents, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 47 lakhs 82,125 the total chocolates of the 3 month. Okay.